two posts to the left of X. So pull on your left rein and kick on your right. Pull on the left, kick the right leg. Pull on the left, kick the right leg. That's it. Keep pulling on the left.
Do I keep like kicking with the leg or no?
Yeah, kick. There, good. Now, look right and then turn right. There you go. Now just wait for a little bit. Now look right, turn right. Aim for me. Good.
And I push with my leg, right?
Your outside left leg kick.
Left leg.
Push with it. Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now swing it for a little bit. There you go. And then start again. There you go. There you go. Good. And for the letter T on the wall. There you go. And then